I would just have to smile then.
Let's just smile.
Is it recording? Mm-hmm. All right, that's gonna be the thumbnail picture for what this epic video is going to entail. Actually, this video that you're watching right now is just a prelude to what's gonna happen. Danny and I are gonna meet up with Brian tomorrow morning, and we're going to go to the farm for 4 days. 4 days.
Yeah, man.
Middle of nowhere, and it's gonna be epic. We're gonna. What is the stipulations on this?
Okay, we do not eat unless we kill something. That's the bottom line.
We do not eat unless we kill it. So we're probably gonna bring some keto bricks, but we can't eat the keto bricks until after we kill something.
Yeah, it's just that's just a bonus to the kill, just to keep our fat ratios good.
Just to keep the fat ratios good. So that said, there's not gonna be very many daily videos for the rest of this week because I'm not gonna have internet to upload. But the video that I do upload when this is all said and done is gonna be like probably, you know, Golden Globe.
Oh, for sure.
You know,
blowing stuff up, trapping stuff, hopefully fishing.
This is gonna be all new for you, right?
Oh yeah, it's my first time hunting, so
it'll be good. Look at him in the camo. He looks like a professional.
No, I don't.
So this video again is just a prelude to what's going to happen. But forgive me because I'm gonna have to like take a pause on the daily vlogs for a couple days.
It'll be worth it.
It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. So
I'm pumped, man. I'm so pumped, bro.
He's gonna be a killer. He's gonna kill some things. He's gonna eat the things. We're gonna have to do like an initiation. Like
oh, I'm supposed to eat a heart. Yeah, I'll take a bite out of the heart. That's easy.
Just go for it. There's like worms in it and stuff.
Well, not already.
Maybe.
Even when oh yeah, it depends if it's too big, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, always got a chance.
If he gets worms, it's just happens.
He dies. He dies.
So that's all we gotta say. Tune in for the next one. It's gonna be worth it. We'll talk to you soon.